welcome back to my channel Aksha the All Rounder. Today I am going to unbox the Amazon product. As per this pandemic situation, don't touch the box immediately. Now I am going to unbox this product. Wow, this is really amazing. This is my father's gift for my YouTube channel. I am really excited to open this pack. This is a toy called Jenga. This Jenga consists of small rectangular wooden pieces. Stack the wooden pieces one above the other. One in horizontal direction and another in vertical direction. Oops, it fell down. Now another player can play. This game will develop your concentration power and mental ability skill. Using this Jenga, you can play successive falling also. Now I am going to hit this first block. Let's see what will happen. Wow, it's amazing! Using this Jenga, you can make some toys also. I did chair, table, room and bed. You can do on your own idea. I also arranged this name using my Jenga. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video,